So what I have here is a Dendrobium orchid. It's no ID. It's been climbing out of the pot, so I believe these were keikis at first. So I think I'm gonna go mount him on a tree. I'm gonna mount it on a palm tree, so I'm gonna put it on this tree. So thinking about placing it right here and probably on the other side on the front side, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try the pantyhose method. So here's some pantyhose. Went over to my neighbor's yard and just took it off the line. Ah, just kidding, I didn't do that. But yeah, so wish me luck. So I got some moss. I'm gonna go and moisten the moss. That way it's easier to handle and work with. Just a few handfuls. I'm gonna use this moss to cover them roots. It'll help give the plant some moisture. So let's go ahead and moisten this. Alright. Nice and moist. I think that should be enough for those two. Alright. So my orchids are ready. It was planted in cinder, so just gonna try and clean them up as best as I can. You can tell that these were on the side of the pot. Look at that. Perfect for mounting. Look at that. Perfect. So we're just gonna grab the moss. Put it behind like that. And give the roots something. Some moisture. Just like that. That should be good. So that one's ready. And this one. Oh snap, the pawpaw! Pawpaw was after me from getting that pantyhose off the line. That should be good. There's not much roots there, but I'll just fold it back like this. There we go. So these are ready. What I did was I went ahead and tied the pantyhose on there. Right there. So I'm just gonna tuck them in, go from there. So here the orchid is all done and mounted. It is inside of the pantyhose, and you add additional moss as needed. As you can see, that frond is still alive. So what I'm gonna have to do is, it is right under that one frond. So I'm gonna have to take this twist tie off as that frond dies off. But it's at a good spot. Added some twist ties. That way the plant isn't wiggling about. It'll give the roots a chance to establish itself and grip onto the palm tree. It is on a foxtail palm. The trunk of the palm is somewhat smooth. It's rigid. So there's something for them to grab on. So yeah, there you have it. Got this Dendrobium Anosmum in white. There's little keikis there. Gonna attach it to the tree. Gonna use moss. Gonna take out some of the bark and put the moss, and then attach it to the tree right there. Let's go down and look at the flower. There's the flower. A closer look. focus. It's got a fuzzy lip. Look at that. It smells amazing. I say this cane is about 4 feet long. Let me pan out and show you. Yeah, there it is. It is hanging on a calamansi tree. It's a Filipino tree. It's got little tiny, I don't know what you even call these. Little limes, maybe? Yeah, it's on this tree. It's with my other Hono Hono. The flowers are starting to fade, so it still smells good. And when I came home the other day, my stepmom got this Dendrobium nobile. It is humongous. And it looks like there's 3 types of flowers on here. There is one. There is another. Maybe 2 types. 1 and 2. Yeah, look at that. There's the name. There's actually a fern growing in this. I might have to repot it, remove the fern. It's like a parasite. It's gonna steal all its nutrients and whatnot. Yeah, there you go. My collection is growing. So that is how I would mount an orchid to a tree. I live in Kahului, so it gets dry here and hot. I probably have to water it every 3rd or 4th day. But yeah, if you like this video, please like it. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. I'll probably post another video soon. There's some flowers in the garden that have blossomed, and I was naughty this weekend again. I bought a bunch of annuals. I just put them in the flower beds. So I'll probably do an update soon. Maybe I'll cut the grass first. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.